So to get these thighs super tender, y'all, I did what is called a velveting brine. Now, a velveting brine is basically baking soda and water mixed at a ratio of about 1 tablespoon per cup of water. Now, I went ahead and added a little bit of kosher salt in this velveting brine for moisture retention. So before I put the thighs into the brine, I went ahead and removed the skin. We're not going to need it for this recipe because we're going to replace that skin with bacon. So while the brine is working its magic, let's go ahead and do the rest of the prep. Now, this is the part where you're not going to need any narration from me. So you know how we do. If it's self-explanatory, we call it a vibe. Hey, Timzo, let's go. All right, so it's been about an hour. I've been coming out here checking every 20 minutes or so. It's time to come out here and get a temperature check. They're probing nice. These things are, I think these things are gonna be tender. Yeah, this is good. So I want a little more color on them though. So I'm gonna move them a little bit closer. I'm not directly over, but I'm gonna move them a little bit closer. This done, man. I'm getting ready to pull these and let it rest. I got some asparagus I'm gonna throw on here, grill them up real quick, but I've already done that in a couple of videos. I'm not gonna show you that, but I'm going to go ahead and pull these, take them inside, let them rest a little bit, get the twine off, and stay tuned for the reveal.